Ladies and gentlemen, introducing your UTI Race Champion competitors in the yellow lane. Ready to go with Monster Magic. But Brian Wright has some competition here. Joey Parnell in the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles!
Yeah! Woo!
Ricky and Joey, Turtles! Your UTI champion, Joey Parnell, in the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles!
Yeah!
As he comes out, takes the Hans device off and the helmet off. I want you guys to make some noise for our UTI Race Champion!
Woo-hoo!
Congratulations, young man. Come out here, busting really big, doing a super job out here. The truck just seems to be hooking up pretty well.
Yeah, we don't look like that yesterday. I wish it was, but it's rocking and rolling tonight.
You have a shot to double down here today. And double down means you win both the racing and the freestyle. We'll get you a little bit closer to Las Vegas, March 23rd and 24th.
Yeah, that was great.